Have you ever wondered if you could see every dollar moving in and out of your business, right now, as it happens? Not last week, not yesterday, but real time? For so many business owners, cash flow is this elusive, mysterious beast. You know it's important, you probably track it periodically, but getting a true, instantaneous pulse on your financial health often feels like a pipe dream. It's like trying to navigate a dense fog with only a rear-view mirror. You can see where you've been, but not what's directly ahead or happening around you. Think about it, you make a sale, money comes in. You pay a vendor, money goes out. But how quickly do these transactions register in your understanding of your overall financial picture? Is it hours? Days? When you're trying to make critical decisions, should you invest in new equipment, hire another team member, take on a big new project, having that immediate, clear picture of your cash position isn't just helpful, it's absolutely vital. Without it, you're essentially flying blind, relying on outdated information to make forward-looking choices. This isn't just about knowing if you have enough money to cover payroll next week, it's about understanding your liquidity, your profitability trends, and your operational efficiency at a glance. It's about empowering you to seize opportunities and mitigate risks before they escalate. This isn't just a hypothetical problem either. I've talked to countless entrepreneurs who describe the anxiety of not knowing their exact cash position. They're constantly checking bank accounts, reconciling spreadsheets, and waiting for reports, all while trying to run a business. It's a huge drain on time and mental energy, and it often leads to delayed decisions or, even worse, missed opportunities. Imagine a scenario where a sudden, large invoice comes due, and you're caught off guard because your last cash flow report was from 3 days ago. Or, conversely, a fantastic opportunity arises for a bulk purchase discount, but you hesitate because you're unsure if you have the immediate capital to seize it. These are the real-world consequences of a lack of real-time cash flow visibility. But what if I told you there's a way to cut through that fog? What if you could have a dynamic, always-on dashboard that shows you exactly where your money is, where it's going, and where it's coming from, in real time? That's what we're going to dive into today. We're talking about getting genuine, immediate insights into your business's financial heartbeat, using a platform designed to give you that clarity. Specifically, we're going to explore how Relay makes real-time cash flow visibility not just a possibility, but a practical reality for your business. So, let's break down exactly how Relay helps you achieve this unprecedented level of financial clarity. It's not just about syncing your bank accounts, it's about a holistic approach to managing your money that integrates several key features, all designed to give you that immediate, actionable insight. The first, and perhaps most fundamental, aspect of real-time cash flow visibility in Relay comes from its seamless bank account integration and categorization capabilities. Unlike traditional banking, where transactions might take a day or two to clear and then even longer to manually categorize, Relay is built to provide an instant feed of your financial activity. When money comes in or goes out of your linked accounts, Relay registers it almost immediately. But it doesn't stop there. Relay's intelligent categorization system is a game-changer. As transactions flow in, you can set up rules to automatically categorize them. Imagine, an incoming payment from a specific client is always tagged as revenue, Project X, or an outgoing payment to a particular vendor is consistently classified as operating expenses, marketing. This isn't just about neatness, it's about data integrity and speed. Because these categorizations happen automatically and instantly, your cash flow reports and dashboards are always populated with accurate, organized data. You don't have to wait until the end of the week or month to manually sort through transactions, it's happening continuously in the background. This immediate categorization means that when you pull up a report, it reflects the true nature of your recent transactions, not just raw numbers. Building on this foundation, Relay's multiple accounts and envelopes feature is crucial for enhanced visibility. Most businesses don't just operate with one checking account. You might have accounts for operating expenses, payroll, taxes, and savings for future investments. Juggling these across different banks or even within a single traditional bank can be a headache, making it difficult to see the consolidated picture. Relayz solves this by allowing you to create multiple checking accounts, which they call envelopes, all under one roof, with distinct account numbers. This is where the real-time aspect becomes incredibly powerful. When a payment comes in for a specific project, you can direct it immediately to the corresponding project envelope. When you pay an employee, the funds come directly from your payroll envelope. This granular control means you're not just seeing your total cash balance, you're seeing exactly how much cash is allocated to each critical area of your business. This immediate separation of funds provides clarity on your true available cash for different purposes. You can instantly see if you have enough in your tax envelope, or if your payroll envelope is adequately funded for the next cycle. This level of segregation prevents accidental overspending from one category dipping into another, and critically, it gives you an accurate, real-time snapshot of your liquidity for each specific purpose, rather than a blurred overall figure. Next up, Relayz invoicing and bill pay integration significantly streamlines your cash flow monitoring. Cash flow isn't just about what's in your bank account, it's also about what's owed to you and what you owe. Traditional methods often involve separate systems for invoicing, tracking receivables, and managing payables, leading to a fragmented view. Relayz brings these elements together. When you send an invoice through Relayz, the system tracks its status in real time. You immediately see when an invoice has been viewed, when it's due, and critically, when it's been paid. The moment a client pays an invoice, that payment is reflected in your Relayz accounts, updating your cash position instantly. Similarly, for bill pay, you can schedule and manage your outgoing payments directly within Relayz. This means you have a real-time ledger of your upcoming obligations and can see how they will impact your cash flow before they even happen. This predictive element is invaluable. You're not just reacting to payments as they clear, you're proactively managing your incoming and outgoing funds, giving you a forward-looking view of your cash position. This integrated approach eliminates the delays and manual reconciliation typically associated with receivables and payables, providing a seamless, real-time update to your overall cash flow picture. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.